guys, I have got Alex from UK and Aviv from USA, and they are gonna try this Paan, Banarasi Paan. So I have ordered sweet Paan for them. And Aviv, had you ever tried this before?
No, this will be my first time.
And Alex, yours?
First time as well, yeah.
All right. So let's see their experience. How does it go with them?
The pressure's on to like it.
So that's Betel leaf, and it has some lime on the top. And that's mint.
Oh, that's cardamom.
It's mint.
Mint. Oh, that's
Yeah. And this one is rose paste. Yeah. This is a bit of sweet tobacco, you can say. Sweet mint tobacco.
Okay. Oh, it's tobacco.
It's sweet mint, you can say.
Sweet.
It's not actually tobacco, but it's mint.
Okay.
It's no tobacco. It's beetles. Beetles. Sweet beetles.
I guess you'll know if you get a head rush.
कीमाम केकर बनेला कीमाम अच्छा
कोई भी कीमाम बनेगा तो उसमें ये होता है कि
ई का वो हरा वाला
चटनी है
अच्छा
उसका
so this is
मात्रा
like a sweet chutney sauce and it is wrapped like this yeah holy water
God just heard.
all right so you gotta put it in your mouth one together all in one go yeah just put it in your mouth
Alright.
all in one go yeah and hold it for at least 2 or 3 minutes
Wow.
how do you feel is it good Aviv you
Aggregate. Wait, you can swallow it, right?
sorry
Swallow, right?
you can swallow it it is really good for your bronchitis according to Ayurveda when we are coughing Paan really helps for your cough alright guys so how was your experience
It was a first experience. It's a last experience, but it's a good one.
alright guys so just wanted to introduce you with this Paan thing in Varanasi and I will be keep posting some more videos later. This was Shwetang from Varanasi. Lovely to meet you guys and hopefully you're all doing well. Stay in touch. Bye bye.